And now we go with the side triangle. The leg apart. From here, the hand shoulder level, and we make the simple twist. Now, bring your right hand slowly, bend in front, exhale, and turn your right hand to the left side, and raise your left hand up by the ceiling. Yes, look up, follow the fingertip. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale the arm, shoulder level, and slowly lengthening the spine and twist to the left side. And look up the ceiling, try to open the chest more. Stay here for 5 more counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, lengthening your spine. Exhale, jump back and walk back. Yes, it feels so good after stretching. And now another easy and simple stretch. Have you so much press the palm, the shoulder here, so pain, small mass. Now we do one more. Bring your right hand up over the head, and now use your left hand hold the right ankle and twist more to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and twist more. Slowly inhale, exhale, release. And now we do another side. Inhale, raise your hand up, look up. Exhale, bend to the right side. Try to square, tuck in your core, lengthening more your left hand, straighten your elbow. And now use the right hand, hold the left hand and push more to the right side. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release your hand. And we so enjoy the stretching. And now we have a lot of interrupting when we do things. How we make our focus. And today I will share with you 2 postures. Have you really focused in what you want? And you will achieve it. Now, stay stable, tuck in your core, lengthening, open your chest. Bring your right hand, hold. Don't hold here, don't hold here. Don't hold your foot like this. Hold here, hold this. Hold your ankle like this. Yeah. Tuck in your core. Lengthening your left, straighten your left hand. This one is dancer pose. From here, slowly, stay firmly, look at one point, and lengthening your body and kick your head higher, kick your leg higher, and straighten your hand, and look at the one point. Just stay here firmly and strongly. Don't hold your breath, breathe at normal. 1, 2, the leg kick higher if you can. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, drop your hand, drop your leg. Now we do another side. Always we need to do 2 sides for balance. Okay? From here, tuck in your core again. Slowly bring your left hand, hold the left ankle, the right hand over the head. Look at one point and inhale. Slowly exhale. Kick your left leg up. Right hand, don't put like this, don't put like this. Put down. When you press down, you have the balance. Hand palm down. Look at the one point in front of you. Focus in your breathing. And slowly kick your leg up. If you feel too much shaking, you always can use the one to support for the beginner. You can use your one support and you kick your leg like this. Yes, kick higher. If you feel you can't enough strong, no need the one support. Use that hold and stable. Stable. Focus in your breathing. Focus in one point what you really want to focus and look up and kick. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and exhale. Release. Wow, really that support. Yes, we need to focus in your breathing. And when you go down, don't hold your breath. Breathe at normal. Focus in one point. This is that support. And now we take some short breath and prepare for neck pose. Neck pose is a warrior 3. This also really change strong your core and focus and the balance. Now from here, bring your right leg back. Inhale, slowly, hand up, look up. Exhale, lengthening your spine, focus in one point. Stay parallel in front first. Now stay firmly and strongly. Slowly raise your right foot up higher as much as you can. Point your toe and lengthening. Stay focused in one point and just stay here for 5 seconds. Don't hold your breath. Breathe normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale. Raise your hand up. Look up and release. Wow, you feel so much stretching. Whole body is really, I love this posture. And now shake it out a bit and go to the left side. Left leg back. Inhale, raise your 2 hands up. Stay strongly and strongly. Now look at the one point in front of you. Lengthen your spine, bend down, straighten. Just when you stay firmly from here, engage your core. Then slowly point at your toe and bring your left leg up. Try to parallel your body with the floor. From here, just stay strongly and firmly. 1, 2. You can drop your head. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. Hand up, look up. Exhale, release your hand. Bring back the foot. For this, if you feel you need some stress, you can just lengthening your spine, straighten your spine, and drop. Hand here. Just hold your elbow and rest. Yes, take some short breath here. And now slowly drop your palm on the ground. We go with the downward dog. Walk your foot back and slowly walk. Bend your left knee, bend your right knee, and we massage the back side. Yes, that's stable. Try, don't hunting your back like this. Try to more straightening. Yes, press down your hand. Yes, more straightening your back. Press down your heels. Yes, you feel more stretching in your leg. And now, from here, look up in front. Step your left leg between your two hands. From here, you can bend your left leg 90 degrees and stay firmly. Try don't rest your chest in the don't rest like this. Don't be lazy. Try to bring your upper body. Don't touch, no touch. Stay apart here and stay firmly. I know it's challenging even for me. From here, slowly inhale, raise your hand up, look up the ceiling. Just stay here, strongly and firmly. Try to lengthening, straighten your right foot, right leg straighten. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop your right hand down and slowly try to straighten your two legs. During stage, more straighten and try to lengthening your spine, lengthening and slowly forward fold. Drop your head to your knee. Yes, you feel so deep stretching between two legs and you can feel your core here very strong and change your core, change your belly. Beautiful. Yes, just stay here few seconds with me. You can bend your elbow for deeper stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale. Bring the body up. And now we change to the right side. Switch your left toe in, right toe straighten. And from here, bend your right knee down. Try the knee and the heel 90 degrees. If you feel not enough distance, you always can adjust to wider or smaller depend on your tone. And try to sink lower, square. Yes, straighten your left side. Put your two hands on the floor and from here, slowly and firmly, inhale, raise your left hand up the ceiling. Just stay here for a few more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly put your hand down and try to straighten your right leg. Here, try to lengthening your spine and slowly drop your head to your knee. Try to tuck in your core more. Yes, beautiful. Tuck in more, and if you feel, you can go deeper, lengthening your spine, straightening, don't hunting, and slowly exhale, bend down your elbow and drop your head on the knee. Just stay here for a few more seconds. You feel so deep stretching, feel so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and bring your body up. Lengthening your hands shoulder level. Bring your feet back parallel between each other and you can jump back or walk back. Yes, and drop your head. How do you feel it? I really love this feel posture because it makes me feel so deep stretching and so enjoying.